Good morning, children. How are you all? Good? Okay. So, children, welcome to your social science session. And today we are going to start with chapter number 4, that is landforms. So, we will read the chapter as well as I will explain you what are landforms and what are the different types of lands. Okay, different places have different types of land which we are going to study in this chapter. So children, you are quickly required to open your discovering book to page number 45. Okay, now children, you must have visited different places. You must have gone to the mountainous regions for trekking. You must have gone to hill stations like Shimla. Most of you must have visited deserts. In Rajasthan itself we have desert, the Thar desert, okay, which is located near Jodhpur. And then all of us, we all live in cities. So there are different kinds of land at different places. The place where we live in Kota city. So it is a city. So city has different kind of land. When you go on a hill station, you see a different kind of land. Then when you go to a mountainous region for trekking, you see rocky land surface. And when you go in the desert types area, you see sand everywhere. All over the region there is sand. So what are all these lands? Why are they different from one another? And so all these things, all the different kinds of lands we have around us and all over the earth, we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so you are quickly required to open your books to page number 45. When you look at the drawing of different sceneries, you can see that some drawings have hills, some show rivers and green flat lands. So when you make different kinds of scenery, आपने बहुत सारी sceneries देखी होंगी. Some are there in which mountains are there and a river flowing out of it. Some must be there that there is all green land everywhere and the cows are grazing and other animals are also roaming around. Then you must have seen the desert drawing where there is a cactus plant in the desert and the camels are roaming. So all these things you must have seen in different sceneries. So every scenery tell us a different landform. While others may show a seashore or an area covered with sand. So some show the area that is covered with sand. So sand area is the desert area. All these sceneries show different phases of the earth we live on. So our earth has very different kinds of phases. Phases in the form of land. So we are going to study what are the different phases of land that earth has. The surface of the earth is not the same at all the places. Earth का surface हर एक जगह पर same नहीं है. Some areas are very high, some have medium height and others are flat. So if we talk about mountains, they are very high. They have a high peak. If we talk about hills, they are smaller than mountains. But when we talk about plains, so they are the flat lands on the surface of earth. So these are the flat lands. Some places have very height, some have a low height and some are plain surfaces. These different forms of land on the surface of earth are called landform. So all these surfaces which are of different types on the earth, they are called the landforms. What are they called? These different types of land on the surface of earth are called the landforms. Landforms are natural formations made up of rock, soil and water bodies that make up the surface of earth. सो लैंडफॉर्म्स क्या है? लैंडफॉर्म्स आर द नेचुरल फॉर्मेशन. नेचुरल फॉर्मेशन मीन्स दे आर ऑलरेडी मेड बाय गॉड, दे आर मेड बाय नेचर. वी हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड द लैंडफॉर्म्स. क्या हमने कहीं जाके माउंटेन्स बनाए? Have we made the mountains anywhere, or we have made some hills, or the land on the plains are made by us? क्या land हमने बनाई है? No, it is created by nature. So these are the natural landforms made up of rock. Either they are made up of rock on the mountainous regions. There are a lot of rocks. It is a rocky surface, soil, and water bodies that make up the surface of earth. Water bodies like ocean, seas, rivers. So all these are the water bodies created by God. Some examples of the landforms are desert, mountains, hills, valleys and plains. So these are the few examples of landforms कि ऐसे भी landforms होते हैं. Desert होता है, mountains, hills, plains, valleys. We are going to learn all of this in this chapter. Land is a solid part of the surface of the earth. Land, जो land होती है, that is the solid part of the surface. वो बहुत ज़्यादा solid means बहुत ज़्यादा heavy part होता है earth का. We live on land और हम उस land पे रहते हैं. Villages, towns and cities exist on land. और जो villages होते हैं, जो towns होते हैं, जो cities, like we live in a city, so the city is situated on a land. The city is made on a land. Farming is also done on land. Land पे farming भी होती है. Okay, जो farmers agriculture करते हैं, जो farmers crop grow करते हैं, that is done on land. Let us now read about some different kinds of landforms. और अब हम पढ़ेंगे different kinds of landform, कौन कौन से होते हैं and कैसे होते हैं. So the first form is plains. Plains are the first form of land. What are plains? That are the flat surface, flat and broad surface on the earth. Plains are flat and level surface on the earth. Plains बिल्कुल flat means बिल्कुल straight and level surface means earth के surface का level होते हैं. If this is the earth, these are on the level surface of the earth. Rivers such as Ganga and Yamuna flow through these plains. So different types of rivers. Two main rivers in India, they are the Ganga and the Yamuna river. So these rivers, they flow on the surface of the plains. तो rivers कहाँ से, ये वाली rivers कहाँ से flow होती हैं? They flow by the plains. The plains are the flat and the level surface, a flat and a broader surface on earth. Okay? Broad means wide. These rivers have made the soil very fertile. और इन rivers ने जो हमारी plains हैं उनका soil बहुत fertile कर दिया है. What is the meaning of fertile? Fertile means rich in water as well as rich in nutrients. तो जो जो nutrients soil को need होते हैं वो सारे nutrients soil को मिल जाते हैं. And when the soil is rich in water and nutrients, the crops will grow very easily and nicely. और हमारा crop भी खराब नहीं होता है. Okay, our crop is not spoiled. Crops can be easily grown in fertile soil. In fertile soil, the crops are very easy to grow. The plains have forests and deserts. तो plains के ऊपर cities और villages के अलावा क्या होता है? Forest and deserts भी होते हैं. Okay, forest and deserts are on plains. In plains, summers are hot and winters are cold. तो कैसा होता है plains का climate? कैसा होता है यहाँ का climate? It is hot in summers. Summers में तो गर्मी होती है and it is cold in winters. और winters में बहुत ठंड होती है. A large number of people live in plains. और प्लेन्स पे बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं, बिकॉज सिटीज़ किसके ऊपर होती हैं? प्लेन्स के ऊपर। विलेजेस किसके ऊपर होते हैं? प्लेन्स के ऊपर। तो सिटीज़ और विलेजेस में कितने सारे लोग रहते हैं? वी ऑल लिव इन cities only, no? So we live on a plain. So with this you can see that there are large number of people who live on plains. An example of plain is the northern plain of India. तो एक एग्जाम्पल आपकी बुक में गिवन है, दैट इज द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ plains. I will give you one more example, that is the coastal plains, which arises from the Punjab in the west and they go to the Assam in the east side. So coastal region, they arise from Punjab in the west side and they go to the Assam in the east side. Okay, so in India we have northern plains also, we have coastal plains also. Okay, so this we read about plains. क्या क्या होता है बच्चों plains में? Plains में people live in villages or cities. Rivers like Ganga and Yamuna flow on the plains and they fertile the soil of the plains, which helps the farmers to grow the crop easily. ओके, तो ये जो गंगा और यमुना प्लेन्स के ऊपर से फ्लो करते हैं, ये हेल्प करते हैं फार्मर्स को ताकि सॉइल फर्टाइल हो जाए और फार्मर्स अपने क्रॉप्स इजीली ग्रो कर सके. व्हाट एल्स हैपन ऑन प्लेन? प्लेन पे सीजन कैसा होता है? इट इज हॉट इन समर एंड कोल्ड इन विंटर्स. ओके, and on the plains the large number of people live, a very large population, they like to live on plain area. And what are the examples of plain area, children? It is the northern plains of India and the coastal plains of India. Okay, so children, today we will read till here only. In the next class we shall continue with desert, mountains and hills. Okay, so you are required to give a look at the chapter as well as just give it a read so that you can understand what is given in your chapter. Okay, so till we meet in our next class, bye bye, have a good day and take good care of yourselves. Bye.